Rain on the tin roof, grabbed a cup of coffee. Just me and my old boots, the smell of earth and pine mixing in the air. I know today's the kind of day I wanna share. You came down the stairs with sleepy eyes and hair, that old white cotton dress, girl, you look so fair. We danced around the kitchen to the rhythm of the storm, two hearts beating in time, where the love keeps us warm. Raindrops and love falling from above, simple little moments, what dreams are made of. Holding you close, feeling every beat, in this rainy day, you make life so sweet. We walked down to the barn, hand in hand so tight, the horses in the stalls, grazing in the gray light. You laughed at my old tales of cowboys and rain, and how I'd ride for miles just to see you again. Lightning strikes, but I feel so safe in your arms, there's no better place. So let the storm rage on with this thunder loud, our love will weather any dark cloud. Back inside we go, where the fire crackles bright, wrapped up in that quilt, we'll stay warm tonight. The world can wash away outside our little door, with each passing moment I love you more and more. Raindrops of love falling from above, simple little moments, what dreams are made of. Holding you close, feeling every beat, in this rainy day, you make life so sweet. Raindrops of love falling from above, simple little moments, what dreams are made of. Holding you close, feeling every beat, in this rainy day, you make life so sweet. We walked down to the barn, hand in hand so tight, the horses in the stalls, grazing in the gray light.